Hello all, welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we discussed about variable demo in Kotlin. Now today we will discuss about if expression in Kotlin. So let me create one more file over here. So you can just right click over here and here you can just click on new Kotlin file. Here you can just give the name of the file, for example, if demo, and here you can just click on file and you can just click over here. Now I want to demonstrate what that is if expression. What is if expression? If executes a certain section of the code if the test expression is evaluated to true. For example, let me write here one main. For example, this is my function main. Now I just want a one number from the user. So I'm writing here enter any number. Now I want to take input from the user. So you can just write here variable number is equal to, you can use the function readline to get the number from the user, and then you can convert it into that is to integer. Now your input will be stored into your number variable. Now I want to just check that if the number is greater than 0, then I want to say that this is the positive number. So here you can write the if expression. What is if? If executes a certain section of the code. For example, if you write here if number greater than 0. If it evaluates to true, then it will execute this particular portion. That is the if portion. So let me write here one message that is print line, and that is the dollar number is positive. Now here you can write an else clause. For example, I want to write here else, and it will print the message that dollar number is negative. But what one problem over here is, if user enter the number 0, then I want to give the message that it is a 0. But what happened whenever you run this, you just need to click on run if demo.cat. Whenever you run this, it will ask me one number from the user. For example, if I'm entering the number that is 15, then it says that the 15 is positive. Now suppose if you rerun your program, then it will ask number again. Suppose if I'm passing here minus 15, then it will say that minus 15 is a negative number. If I'm rerun this particular program and if I pass here 0, then it will say that 0 is a negative. Actually 0 is not a negative, 0 is a 0. So whenever you want to implement the if else, so here you can just modify the if else, and that is what else if number less than 0, then it is a negative. And here you can just write else clause. So what else will do? Code inside the else clause are executed if the test expression is false. For example, if number is not greater than 0, if number is not less than 0, then the cursor will move into the else portion. And here you can just write that is print line, it is 0. Now you can simply rerun your code and it will ask the number again. So if you provide here that is for example 15, then it says 15 is a positive. If you provide here that is minus 15, then it will say minus 15 is a negative. And if you provide here the 0, then it says that it is 0. So this is the way you can implement the if condition. But sometimes people say that, sir, what if I want to go in a range? So I want to show you another if demo. So let me just right click on src folder, new. Let me take here one more file, and that is Kotlin file, and this is, you can say, if demo 2. I'm just clicking on file, double click. Now here I want to give you another demo of if condition. For example, I have function main. Now I want to take the input from the user, and that is enter any, for example, percentage. Based on the percentage, I want to calculate the grade. So I'm just taking this variable percentage over here. I'm taking the input from the user, that is using the read line dot, let me convert it into double. Now I just want to check the value, that is the percentage. If the percentage is between 90 and 100, then I want to print the grade, that is excellent. So I'm just writing here if percentage greater than or equal to 90 and percentage less than or equal to 100, then print the message, and the message will be what? That is excellent. Now I just want to modify here one more condition, and that is percentage is equal to, if the percentage is greater than or equal to 75 and percentage is less than, for example, 90, then I want to give the message here, and that is print line. It is very good. Let me copy this. I want to write some more conditions over here, and that is if the percentage is greater than or equal to 60 and percentage is less than 75, then I'm just writing here one grade, and that is good. Else, if the percentage is less than 60, then I want to print the message, and that is need an improvement. Now you can simply run your this particular code, that is if demo2.kt file. So whenever you run this in the terminal, it will ask you for the percentage. For example, if I am entering the percentage that is 93, then it will says it is excellent. Suppose let me rerun, and if I am providing here that is 76, then it will says that it is very good. Suppose if I am providing here that is 64, then it will says that it is good. Suppose if I am providing here that is, for example, 23, then it will says that you need an improvement. Now, not only this, sometimes people says that, sir, can we write here range? Yes, you can write the range. Whenever you want to write a range here in a Kotlin, you can just write percentage in, and you can just provide the lower bound dot upper bound. So you can just write here in case of this. The same program you can do using the different way. For example, I want to do the same code using the range. So I'm just putting here this code in a comment, and here you can just write if percentage, and that is in, that is 90.0 dot 100.0. So if the percentage is between 90 and 100, then print the message, and the message is excellent grade. Now here you can just modify the condition. Else if percentage in 75.0 dot 89.0. If the range is between 75 and 89, the range is inclusive. So here you can just write the grade, that is very good grade. You can just copy this particular portion, and you can modify the condition. For example, if I am providing here, that is if the grade is in a range of 62 and that is 74, then you can say it's a good grade. And else, I just want to print the message, and that is what need an improvement. Now let me rerun this particular code. So I'm just running the if demo2.kotlin file. Now it is asking me for the percentage. For example, I am passing the exact 90 percentage. Then it says that excellent grade. It means that the 90 and 100 both are inclusive. Suppose if you rerun this, and if you provide here that is 76, then it says that very good grade. And suppose if you are providing here that is, for example, 89, then it says that very good grade. It means that 75 and 89 inclusive over here. Suppose if you rerun this particular code, and if you provide here that is the percentage is 66, then you will get the good grade over here. And whenever you rerun this, and if you provide here the percentage, for example 25, then you will get the message that is need an improvement. So this is the way you can write the if condition in Kotlin. So that's it from my side. In the next video, we will discuss about when expression in Kotlin. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.